Welcome to SMS Gateway Center's contact form integration tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, you'll learn how to automate SMS and WhatsApp alerts directly from your website contact forms. Transform your website leads into instant customer engagement. Every form submission can now trigger immediate SMS and WhatsApp notifications, ensuring you never miss a potential customer. Are you losing leads due to delayed responses? Spending hours on manual follow-ups? There's a better way. Introducing SMS Gateway Center Contact Form Integration, automated SMS and WhatsApp alerts in seconds. Let's get started. Contact Form Integration connects your website forms directly to SMS Gateway Center. When someone submits a form on your website, it automatically sends SMS and WhatsApp messages to your team or directly to the customer. We offer two flexible integration options. First, the embedded form method. Simply add one line of code to your website. Second, webhook integration, perfect for custom forms and advanced setups. Here are some real-world examples. Real estate agents can instantly notify clients about property inquiries. Healthcare providers can confirm appointments immediately. Retail businesses can send welcome messages and special offers. The possibilities are endless. Let's explore the key benefits for your business. This integration will transform how you handle leads and customer communication. Setup is effortless. Just one line of code gets you started. You'll capture leads instantly with automated SMS and WhatsApp alerts. Email notifications keep your team informed. The responsive design works on all devices. Security and compliance are built in, and the flexible integration adapts to your needs. Now let's walk through the complete setup process. I'll guide you through 5 simple steps to get your contact form integration live. Access your SMS Gateway Center panel. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the integration section, then click on Contact Form Integration. This is where all the magic happens. Configure your basic settings. This is where you'll set up your notification preferences and messaging options. Select this option if you plan to use your own contact form and send data via a webhook. First, enter your domain to whitelist to protect for security. Next, enter the email address where you want to receive submission alerts. This ensures your team is notified of every new lead. Select the default country to display its phone code in the contact form. For SMS settings, Indian clients need to configure DLT template ID and select their sender ID. This ensures compliance with TRAI regulations and proper message delivery. Select this option to send an SMS as a reply to the contact form submission. Choose the sender name you want to use. Choose the appropriate DLT template for your message. Enter the DLT template ID for your message template. Enter your thank you SMS message. Next, set up your WhatsApp Business API templates. Select this option to send a WhatsApp message in response to a contact form submission. Enter your approved WABA WhatsApp business account number. Select your message type, text or media, from the drop-down. Enter the exact approved WhatsApp template name. If your template includes a header, enter it here. If your template includes a footer, enter it here. Enter the body content of your template here. If your template contains reply buttons, enter them in JSON format. Click Save Changes to apply your settings and voice. Choose the embedded form option. This is the simplest method for most websites. Click the Generate Code button to create your unique iframe snippet. This single line of code will power your entire integration. Copy this generated code. It contains all your settings and will automatically handle form submissions. Now paste this code into your website's contact page HTML. You can place it anywhere you want the form to appear. Important: configure your website's security settings. You may need to remove Xframe options or set up content security policy to allow the iframe to load properly. Webhook integration. This alternative method is perfect for custom forms and advanced setups. Copy your unique webhook URL. This endpoint will receive form data from your website. Configure your existing form to send data to this webhook URL. You can use any form builder or custom code. Make sure your form includes the required parameters. Name and mobile number with country code. These are essential for proper message delivery. Test your integration. Fill out your contact form and submit it to see the magic in action. Check the delivery report in your SMS Gateway Center panel. You'll see the status of your SMS and WhatsApp messages. Verify that the message was delivered to your test phone. You should receive both SMS and WhatsApp notifications instantly. Monitor and manage your leads. Your dashboard shows all form submissions in real time. View submissions, export leads to Excel, and track important metrics. Everything you need to manage your leads effectively. To ensure success with your contact form integration, follow these best practices. Always obtain proper consent for SMS and WhatsApp communications. Secure your webhook with HTTPS. Keep SMS messages under 160 characters for optimal delivery. Test your integration regularly, and monitor your analytics to optimize performance. Why choose SMS Gateway Center for your contact form integration? Let me show you what makes us different. We offer dual-channel support, both SMS and WhatsApp from one platform. Full TRAI compliance ensures your messages are delivered. Our 24/7 support team is always ready to help, and our scalable infrastructure grows with your business. Ready to get started? Contact form integration is already live in your SMS Gateway Center panel. Transform your lead generation today. Have questions? Our support team is here to help. Reach us through live chat, email, or phone. We're available 24/7 to assist you. Thank you for choosing SMS Gateway Center. Engaging your customers is just a form away. Start your integration today and never miss another lead.